Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum hasn't moved much since yesterday, obviously still in this target area, and you can see how relevant these Fibonacci levels are. I think Ethereum over the recent weeks has followed nicely here the projection. We obviously saw the price come into our support area down here. The trend line was respected and the price then formed another higher low. Again, didn't break below that previous swing low in October and then rallied as per the projection into this target zone that I communicated already, I think like a couple of weeks ago, or at least a little bit more than a week ago. This target zone hasn't changed since then, so it's still located between 2,538 and 2,679. All it is, it's a pivot. It's not telling us the market couldn't break higher. It can. Important is this target area has been reached. Now we just need to watch closely price action for a reaction. It's all about understanding, okay, where are we? We were here in support and we've now moved into resistance. Down here we saw the first indications that we're moving higher. Up here I haven't got any confirmation yet that the market has actually topped. Okay, so it has respected the analysis. We're now in the target area, but I would need to see some kind of a break of support to indicate that we start a move down, that this triangle, which we've been tracking in yellow, this triangle, sideways triangle, that this is complete. The triangle itself will be invalidated with a break above 2,734. If a triangle tops, and it could top in this region, before invalidating it obviously, then we should normally see quite a rapid decline. Ethereum warns us that this could be coming. I know people normally don't want to hear that when, the market has just gone up a bit, but the risk is there. That's the benefit of the analysis. Down here, there wasn't so much risk from a long trade point of view. Up here, it's higher. We have a very clear invalidation point for the triangle, which should send us down lower. But I'm not telling you we are topping, okay? So I'm not calling a top at this stage. I would want to see first some evidence that we've topped. Like, for example, a break below the red line here. It's a key level at 2,515 minimally, or at least a break below that 15th of October low located at 2,538. Until then, so far this is just sideways consolidation, okay? Haven't even broken a previous swing low. So what I've highlighted here is that obviously we could also break higher. What would be the white scenario, which is more bullish? Well, the white count suggests a larger diagonal pattern, something that I'm tracking for Bitcoin as well, but Ethereum is just not performing. So this count would be, we have bottomed in this case, This is the bullish count on the 5th of August. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. We would now be in a third wave rally. We could then get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. The problem is that in this scenario, the third wave would need to be a little bit higher, need to go a little bit higher. And what we would want to see as well is that we are invalidating the triangle first. Also, to really confirm that the 5th of August low was a substantial low, we want to see all 5 waves. Until I get all these 5 waves, this here could just be a larger correction. Okay, like even if the triangle gets invalidated, it might morph from a triangle to a WXY pattern. It really takes all 5 waves to confirm we've bottomed. So we haven't got that at this stage. And see, I've also seen wave counts where people suggested, let's say the wave 4 finished here and we're now breaking higher. But then this would have meant also this wave 4 ended as a triangle. But then we would really normally see an impulsive surge, which just isn't the case. So I'm still watching this yellow triangle. It looks good, but obviously just it's in the pivot, but we haven't topped yet. And then from a more bullish point of view, if we break higher and break above that invalidation point for the triangle, so above 2,734, I would still need to see more, not just a bit of a pump, right? From a structural point of view, I need 5 waves. So what can we tell? What can we say based on this now? Well, in the very short term, I think as long as we're holding that last red line, which I highlighted, this here could just be an internal 4th wave, whether that's a 4th wave in the white count or a 4th wave in the yellow count. It's sideways consolidation. Could be some kind of an ABC structure or even internal triangle. The problem about the white count, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 3 is quite weak then again. So it might even be that the third isn't even finished because we otherwise get problems with the length of this larger third wave. So I mean, the white wave count in summary has problems. It really has problems. So therefore my thought process is, okay, if we break below that first red line there, it indicates it would be our first signal level that the B wave in the triangle might have topped. But then I would also need to see like a 5-wave move down, something that would confirm this further, to rule out that in the white count maybe we just get a larger corrective pullback, okay? But overall, this is range-bound movement. You can see it like that as well. We have a lower range boundary, we have an upper range boundary, and as long as we're moving in here, it's just noise really, okay? So market hasn't committed to any of these wave counts yet. The only thing that happened really, we moved from support into resistance, and now the market needs to make a decision. Not much more I can say really. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.